Two men, one question. Where has all the tsunami money gone? That's at the heart of this confrontation between Samoa's Prime Minister, Tuilaepa Aiono Lupe Soliai Sailele Malielengaoi, and journalist John Campbell.
Look, you cheated the Deputy Prime Minister and...
We did not, Prime Minister. We did not.
It's not the first time this question has been asked. Tangata Pasifika put it to the Prime Minister earlier this year when there were complaints about the slow response to housing needs.
You don't seem to put your mind off to tsunami. It's no longer a newsworthy issue.
So just where is the money and how much has Samoa received? John Campbell says Samoa received 152 million tala, whereas Samoa's Prime Minister says the money they've received is much less than that.
What actually happened was that we only received from the donors 35. That means that the other monies from the donors have yet to come.
As for the rebuilt homes without kitchens and toilets, the Prime Minister says he's fine with that.
The kind of houses we are building is the structure that fits in with our own lifestyle and also the climate that we have. I think what Mr. Campbell wanted was to build a kind of building that is appropriate to New Zealand.
The spat between the two men highlights just how sensitive the issue is, and it's just as contentious with Samoans in New Zealand. Here at Auckland's Radio Samoa, talkback has been running hot.
We've tried and today have a break from it and steer people away from it. But of course everyone still wants to talk about this issue. There are people questioning, but also there is patience with our people, and they want to see the outcome of this inquiry into where the tsunami funds have gone.